Yes, today our topic is noun. What is noun beta? What is noun? Name of animal, things or person. What is noun? Name of animal, things or person. Clear beta? Now kinds of noun. First we discuss common noun and proper noun. Common noun and proper noun. What is common noun and what is proper noun? Beta, common noun, noun which have common name. Noun which have common name is called common noun. Proper noun, noun which have specific name is called proper noun. Common noun, noun which have common name. Like we have many things around us, like your book, your pen, fan, blackboard. These all are common noun. Boy, girl, school. These all are common noun because they have common name. Noun which have common name. Clear beta? Proper noun. What is proper noun beta? Noun which have specific name. Noun which have specific name. When we give special name to the things, those are called proper noun. When we give special names to the things, those are called proper noun. Like when we say boy is a common noun. But when we say Shrestha, we gave name to the boy, Shrestha. Shrestha is a proper noun. Girl, like I said, Suhani is a girl. Girl is a common noun, but Suhani is a proper noun. School is a common noun because if we see all around us, many schools are there. But when we say AIPS is a special name of the school. That's why it is proper noun. Clear beta? Fan. If we are saying fan only, common noun. If we said Usha fan, that is proper noun. How can we recognize proper noun beta? Proper noun always starts with capital letters. Proper nouns always starts with capital letter. Clear beta? Now next is beta countable noun, uncountable noun. Uncountable noun. What is countable noun and uncountable noun? Noun which we can count. Like what we can count? Pen we can count, fan we can count, blackboard we can count, pencils we can count. Many things are there which we can count. Noun which we can count. In noun, what is noun beta? Person, animal or things which we can count. Clear beta? Uncountable noun. Noun which we cannot count is called uncountable noun. Noun which we cannot count is called uncountable noun. Like we can not count liquid things beta, we cannot count liquid things. In liquid things many things are there, like oil, water, milk. We cannot count, we cannot say one milk, two milk, one water, two water, one oil, two oil. We cannot count them. And we cannot count our feelings, emotions, we cannot count. Clear? And what is bread is bread is uncountable noun beta. Why bread is uncountable noun? Bread is uncountable noun because we cannot count bread. What we can count? We can count slices of bread. We can count slices of bread. We can count loaf of bread. So countable noun which we can count beta, those are countable nouns. Many things are there in the world which we can count. Uncountable nouns, which we can't count, like liquid things. All liquid things we cannot count. Feelings we cannot count. Emotions we cannot count. Hair we cannot count. Stars we cannot count. Air we cannot count. Clear? Gases we cannot count. Clear beta? Next is concrete noun. Concrete noun beta. Next is concrete noun. Nouns. Noun which can be touched or seen. Nouns which can be touched or seen, those are called beta concrete noun. Those are called concrete noun beta. Like which things we can see or touch. Like for example we can say many things. Pen, pencils, book. These all are concrete noun. Abstract noun. Abstract noun. Noun which cannot be touched or seen. What is abstract noun? Noun which cannot be touched or seen. Those are called beta abstract noun. We can feel only, like our feelings, our emotions, knowledge, happiness, sorrow, sadness. These all are abstract noun beta. And keep one thing in your mind beta. Keep one thing in your mind. Abstract noun is always uncountable noun. Abstract noun is always uncountable noun. We cannot count abstract noun. Clear beta? Next is material noun. Next is material noun. Material noun. Noun from which, read carefully beta, noun from which we can make different things. Noun from which we can make different things. कई चीजें होती हैं बेटा, many things are there from which we can make different things. Like if we are taking any example, then example is butter, water, sand, milk, gold, silver, aluminium, copper, many things are there beta. Ghee. From water we can prepare many things. From sand we can prepare many things. From milk we can prepare many things. From milk, from gold we can make different things. Ring, earrings we can make from gold. Furniture. Clear beta? Wood, not furniture. Beta, wood. Wood is material now. Clear beta? Because from wood we can make different things. Clear? Next is beta compound noun and collective noun. Compound noun and collective noun. I will explain beta compound noun. Compound noun. Compound noun. Beta, what is compound noun? When two nouns are joined to form a single noun. When two nouns are joined to form a single noun, that is called compound noun. When two nouns are joined to form a single noun, that is called compound noun. Like black is a noun plus board. Blackboard. Grand plus father. Grandfather. Bed plus room. Bedroom. Many examples are there beta. Drawing plus room. Drawing room. Many examples are there of compound nouns. Drawing room. Clear beta? Full plus moon, full moon. Full plus moon, full moon. Mid plus night, mid plus night. Midnight. Mid plus night, midnight. See, two nouns. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 are joined to form a single noun. 1 plus 2 equal to 1. Black plus board, blackboard. Grand plus father, grandfather. Bed plus room, bedroom. Drawing plus room, drawing room. Full plus moon, full moon. Mid plus night, midnight. These all are the examples of compound noun. Now, one is left only beta, collective noun. Collective noun. Collective noun. What is collective noun beta? Group of people, person, animal or things is called collective noun. Clear beta? Group of people, person, animal or things are called collective noun. Like army, army of soldiers. So which is collective noun in this? Army, battalions, battalions of soldiers. What is battalions? Black battalions is also collective noun beta. Team of players, team of players. What is team? Collective nouns. Crowd of people, crowd of people, crowd of people. What is crowd? What is crowd? Crowd is collective noun beta. Clear? So these all are examples of collective noun beta. Flock, flocks or flight. We can use both. Of birds. Clear? Flock and flights, flock or flights of birds. Group of person like soldiers, army of soldiers, battalions of soldiers, team of players, crowd of people. Clear? Animals like flock or flight of birds. Things, bouquet of flowers. When these things come in groups, those are called collective nouns. Army of soldiers, battalions of soldiers, team of players, crowd of people, flocks, flight of birds and bouquet of flowers. Clear beta? Clear? If you have any doubt, you can ask beta.